The seas around Denmark used to be full of seagrass meadows. These meadows were crucial spawning grounds and sheltered young fish. They filled the seawater with oxygen while drawing down carbon dioxide into their leaves and their roots, into the sea floor and out of harm's way. Every square metre of meadow can absorb 2 kilos of carbon dioxide every year, absorbing our pollution. But a century of pollution, human sewage, farm fertiliser running off, has killed off over 90% of Denmark's seagrass meadows. Now though, sewage gets treated, and so water quality is improving. Seagrass can survive again in many of the places they've been lost from, and given another 100 years, they may return naturally. But scientists think that this return can and should be speeded up. Scientists have found out how to replant shoots and how to establish new meadows. Planting in the right place, in the right pattern, can kickstart meadow growth. In one example, planting an initial 15,000 shoots grew over 1 million new shoots within 2 years. Scientists are still finding the best way to re-establish this vital ecosystem, this rich habitat. And that's why the Velux Foundation is funding Danish scientists to restore seagrass meadows, to restore the fisheries, and to draw down carbon dioxide.